This is my 1976 Mustang 2 Cobra. A car y'all don't tend to see very often. I bought it at an auction a few months back, and we're going to see if we can get it on the road today. I've so far done 4-barrel intake, carburetor, and bled through the brakes, which y'all might see, might not see. Kind of figuring it out. Going to try to get her to idle a little better and fill up the trans, because for some reason it was empty. It has a rear main leak, but I don't know if that's the only problem as of right. A lot of people don't know that these cars existed because they didn't really take off as much as they want. And we're going to see if she'll just start right up without any attempt of help. She's going to need a pump or two. Give her a pump.
Tightens lean, loosens rich.
You need to watch the RPMs.
Okay.
And keep an eye on the temp gauge as well.
Yeah.
So basically, I've had it on the fast idle last adjustment without realizing. So we're gonna just start it up and see now what it does. It's way out of everything, maximum air amount basically, and we're just gonna see what happens here because I genuinely don't know what to expect right now. Definitely even run.
Want me to kill it? Or is it rumbling?
Gonna kill it. She's gulping some air.
About 700. That's why the idle wasn't changing.
That's why I couldn't adjust. I've been sitting here the whole time like, why is my idle not adjusting? It's because this right here, that fast idle adjustment, was just barely catching on this screw right here. And you can see there, the last peg of it, I didn't hit it hard enough off the throttle to pop that. So when I was doing it, I've been adjusting barely on fast idle this entire time I've been trying to tune this thing without realizing the adjustments aren't doing anything. And I realized that I wasn't changing any RPMs properly. Yay me. Okay.
So you want to adjust the idle a little bit?
We need to redo everything.
Well, I figured make it faster and then we can fix everything. But
Well, I need to
tighten them
the
in.
screws. I don't know what they're at right now.
Tighten them all the way.
Back from zero because I'm
Yeah.
way off again. As you can see, I turned it a lot.
Yeah, they're like all the way out.
Yeah, I pulled them all the way fucking out because I was like, let's give it air.
Well, it was running fine.
Yeah, it was running great. I hate how one side turns more than the other.
Yeah, like looks like it anyway.
This one turns way more. Like that's
Oh,
closed.
that's weird.
Oh, I'll leave it. Might just turn that one a little less when I do it. But no, right here. Showing that This last peg was barely caught on that.
it was
so
just
it couldn't,
barely
pull the throttle all the way. So it's been sitting at 1200 RPM fast idle the entire time. So that's all the way in. Let me pull it out a turn and a half.
Turn and a half for air fuel?
Yeah, for air fuel I did. I leave everything else the same. I ideally want to idle at about 700.
I mean, it was, but...
Was I wrong? Everything.
No brake.
Yeah, don't.
You want to start it again?
Yeah, just go on starter.
About 800. But she's smoking.
Startup smoke.
Okay. I was like, I smell it. It smells different though.
It's so noisy when it's low idle.
Yeah. Fans and pulleys are bad.
So let them out a little bit until it gets highest RPM.
Yeah. Still going. Oh. It's still going up.
Still going up? Okay.
It's at 900-ish. No change. You're good. This is so hard to do when you can't hear each other. So there was
roughly even.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there was no changes at all, so.
I think we're okay now, maybe.
Yeah, like between 8 and 9 now.
Should I run her? Change anything else, you think? Or
I mean, it's not popping, is it?
try the brake just for fun? It's gonna pop on brake because it's got a vacuum leak, probably.
Yeah. Brake booster bad.
Think we're okay though?
I mean, yeah, how's the smoking look? Good?
Minimum, I don't see any actually. Hey, you want to come out and see? I'm not seeing any down there.
Yeah, let's check the other side. The other side. About the same.
Barely any.
You can see it from this side.
Yeah, you can. You think that's good enough to try her?
I mean, sure.
Try drive her a little?
Yeah, we can check the fluid.
Yeah, fluid up.
There's a butterfly stuck in the car. Poor him, he doesn't know how to get out. You can't call a butterfly like a cat.
Pop the hood or trunk, I mean.
He'll find his way eventually, right?
I'll let you believe that.
Smoke.
See what she got for fluid. Yay. That's my turn.
See, like there's some in there.
Yeah.
But once you redip it, it's gone.
She bone dry.
Mm-hmm.
Want to throw the funnel in her?
Hard life of a cameraman.
That's ticking just a fan. Where's it got a
Probably.
do it while running, I guess.
Doesn't hurt. That's what we've always done. That's weird. Yeah, I smell it. Still not enough to move it.
You don't got much power.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it is only, what, 120 horsepower? All good. Huh? That's good. Nice. That's oil leak. Yeah, I'm sure. That's good. The brakes weren't working before, but now they are, so. Well, you ready to back out?
Just take it, back it out.
Yeah, you want me to get in there?
I guess you can stay outside for the moment.
Figured until you get on the street. At least they're manual windows.
Yes, sir.
Power ones, you can never trust. Smoky. Still got a problem there.
Am I all clear? I can't see good.
Yeah, just watch out for the van. She got power steering. That does not work very well. That's what that noise is.
How far wheels turn?
They're straight. Yeah, they're like, not all the way. They're like painting this way. You might just have to move slow. See what happens. Smoke. Oh yeah. Guess I'll get in now.
First test drive over.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take her around the block real quick, I guess.
Yeah, power steering's just shot.
Second gear.
It has second gear. Ugh, that sounds so bad. What, 4 or 3?
3 to 4. I don't know, honestly. This guy's like, I haven't seen one of those. That's a success, I'd say.
Yeah. She now runs and drives.
She is drivable.
Looks like speedometer doesn't work very well though.
It's iffy.
It's very... You could hear it clicking. At least the brakes work.
Yeah, they work really good, actually.
I'm gonna move the pan.
Yeah.
So you don't run it over.
It gets hot driving.
It does. How does this work? Oh. There is trans fluid on the floor. Woo! She's just smoky.
Huh?
She's just smoky. We just
Like normal?
It got worse while driving.
Oh.
The smoke. So we still need to fix that. I think she's still too rich.
Could very well be. I'm still learning this, so. But
More tuning to do, but it drives.
Honestly.
Yeah.
She stops, she drives, she goes, and she does things. So yeah, I'd say that's a good spot to call it there, and pick up next time. Probably trying to tune her up a little bit and make her run a little better, because I know the engine's a little tired. It is a 76, actually. I have to verify that. I don't know if it's the original factory engine, but it is definitely from 76. Done an oil change, I've done all that. Been through most of the systems I can. I just got to figure out how to get the smoky die down a little bit. Hopefully don't need a rebuild. Well, we're going to leave it there. She's kind of getting overheated, so we'll call it.